everyone, if you are new to this channel, my name is Shula. Thank you so much for joining us. In today's video, I'm just gonna update you, like you must have seen from the previous video, that I am moving to a new house, a new construction home. So I am going to be giving updates on how the moving process is going. So today is move out day. I am pretty excited, so I'm just gonna share a little sneak peek of how the moving is going. So I have movers that are helping with the moving. As you can see, the movers truck right there. So again, if you have any questions about new construction homes, please put that question in the comment area and I'll be answering that question for you. Update on how the moving is going. So it's 10:45 p.m. right now and we just finished moving our stuff. So it's been a crazy day. I am exhausted. As you can see, they had to put the bed together. So let me share with you how my neighborhood looks like at night. I am going to go to the balcony. So the balcony was the one thing that made me to choose this house. So yeah, there's still things upstairs, but yeah. So let's check out how the neighborhood looks like. All right. So this is how my neighborhood looks like at night. It's pretty quiet. It's a new construction area, so there's a lot of houses still being built, so it's pretty quiet. All right guys, today has been really busy. I'm exhausted. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do me a favor to click the like button and also the subscribe button. Do not forget to click that notification bell so that you get all the updates on how I am going to start decorating, you know, and organizing my house. So stay tuned. So we're gonna say a prayer and bless this house. So wish me luck. This is my first night in this house, so I'll see you guys tomorrow with more updates. Ciao.